and welcome back to another episode of Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. Today, we will learn how to properly pronounce and understand the meaning of two interesting words. First up, we have augur. Augur. Augur is a verb that means to predict or foreshadow something. It is often used to describe an event or situation that may signal a particular outcome or future development, such as a dark cloud that may augur a storm, or a sudden dip in the stock market that may augur an economic recession. Here is a sentence example. The beautiful sunset over the horizon augured a peaceful and calm evening. Now let's move on to our second word. This word is pronounced as extirpate. Extirpate. This word is a verb that means to completely remove or destroy something. It is often used to describe the process of eradicating or rooting out something undesirable, such as a farmer extirpating weeds from his crops or a doctor extirpating a cancerous tumor from a patient's body. Here is a sentence example. The government launched a campaign to extirpate corruption from the country. So go ahead and practice using these words in your daily life to express your thoughts and ideas in a more articulate way. That's all for this video, folks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next episode of Words Well Read. Thanks for watching.